Okay, first of all, what is standard form? Right? Standard form is to represent the usual form into the exponents. Right? अगर हम इसको exponents में लेकर आते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं usual form को standard form में change करना. Right? For this, let's take some example. Suppose you have 2000. So how will you write down 2000? 2 multiply 10 raised to power 3, right? If it is 2000, you can write down it as 2 multiply 1000, that is 2 multiply 10 raised to power 3. Let's take 4500, right? You can say 45 into 10 raised to power 2, right? So if we want, Naman, wake up. Okay, so 4500 means 45 into 10 raised to power 2. Like this, we are just keeping in exponents form. So these are called standard form also. But there is just little difference कि standard form में हमें 1 digit के बाद decimal लेना होता है. Right? So here we will represent it as 4.5 multiply 10 raised to power 3. Right? Then we'll take 4.5 10 raised to power 3 because we are shifting, it's before 5, so we'll take one more 0. So we'll write down 4.5 raised to multiply 10 raised to power 3, right? So this is the standard form now. और हम standard से उसको usual में भी convert कर सकते हैं, right? So जब हम exponents and powers में लेकर represent करते हैं, and when we keep the decimal after one number, like here the 45 is the digits given, so 4 is the first digit, so हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे decimal हमारे पास 4 के बाद आना चाहिए. Okay, so this is called the standard form. Let's take more examples for it. Standard, yes, you have, yes, right, Anshika, you have done this in class 7 also in standard form. Okay, Naman, it's okay. Yes, Riddhi. Okay, then. So we are going to do the same thing that you have done in 7th class. So let's start the exercise then. Exercise 12.2. You are to represent with the standard form, in standard form, and it's given first is 0. Let's count the zeros. How many zeros are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 8, 5. Right? We are to change this in standard form. How to change in standard form? This decimal is here. इसे हमें किसके बाद shift करना है? What will be the first number? We will represent, shift it after 8. हम इसे 8 के बाद shift कर देंगे. Right? Okay, we will shift it after 8. For this, let's take an example कि अगर आपके पास 0.003 है, so आप इसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3/1000, है ना? If you have 0.003, you can write it as 3/1000. So that means 3/10 raised to power 3. Right? अब जैसे इसे आप न्यूमरेटर में लेकर जाओगे तो it will be 3 multiply 10 raised to power -3. न्यूमरेटर में जाती ही पावर नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. राइट? व्हाट डज इट शो? दिस शोज कि अगर आप डेसिमल को लेफ्ट टू राइट शिफ्ट करते हो तो आपको पावर मिलती है नेगेटिव. राइट? हियर यू आर टू डू द सेम थिंग. यहाँ पे आपको सेम चीज करनी है. सेम हियर, ये इस डेसिमल को आपको राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करना है. सो पावर यू विल गेट इन नेगेटिव. काउंट किसके बाद करना है? 8 के बाद. एज आई टोल्ड, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आपको फर्स्ट नंबर के बाद करना होता है. एंड हियर द फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 8. 8 के बाद डेसिमल चाहिए. राइट? हियर वी नीड डेसिमल आफ्टर 8. सो काउंट दीज नंबर्स. 1 11 zeros प्लस 8 कितने हो गए? 12. 12 के बाद राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर देन? Then the answer will be 8.5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 12. As we are shifting from left to right, so power will be negative, right? Okay, let's take one more example, then it will be clear. The second is 0 point, I believe again it's 11 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros. And 942. So, according to the rule, where we will shift the decimal? Quickly give the answer. हमें decimal कहाँ shift करना है? Where we are to shift the decimal? Yes, Chia, I'm explaining again. The same. It's also same. Siddhi, we are just using the point to just change in the standard form. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज करने के लिए हम डेसिमल यूज करें. आई एम आस्किंग कि अगर हमें स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म करना है, यस आफ्टर 9 विल पुट द यूज द डेसिमल. इस डेसिमल को हम 9 के बाद शिफ्ट कर देंगे. ग्रेट. आफ्टर 9 अब देखो 9 के बाद शिफ्ट करेंगे. इट विल बी 9 डेसिमल 4 2 मल्टीप्लाई 10 raised to power. How much will be the 10 raised to power? As we are shifting from left to right, then it will be negative. जल्दी से पावर बताओ कितनी होगी? minus 12. Yes, we are shifting from left to right after 12 numbers, so the power will be minus 12. Yes, great. Okay, similarly next, let's take one more. 602. There is difference now. 602 and I believe 13 zeros are here. 13 zeros. So here there is a difference. यहाँ पे decimal कहाँ है? Last में. If it's not given, that means decimal is at the last. कहाँ shift करना है decimal? जल्दी से बताओ. Here where we are to shift the decimal? Here where we are to shift the decimal? Yes, after 6. Great. After 6. So decimal को हमें 6 के बाद. So what it will be? 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power. What will be the 10 raised to power? 10 raised to power? Yes, Shaurya, give the answer. What will 15? Right. Right. How? जब हम लेफ्ट टू राइट शिफ्ट करते हैं वी टेक नेगेटिव पावर. जब हम राइट से लेफ्ट जाते हैं देन वी यूज पॉजिटिव पावर. सो कितने जीरोस हैं? 12 zeros and to these numbers totals. Sorry, 13 zeros and to this number. So the power will be 15 and this will be the standard form. Very nice. Not minus 15, Anshika. Anshika, power will not be minus 15. As we are shifting from right to left, पावर मल्टीप्लाई में आएंगी, नॉट इन डिवाइड. जब डिवाइड में आती है तब नेगेटिव पावर होती है. जब मल्टीप्लाई में हो बहुत सारी जीरोस तो पावर पॉजिटिव आएगी. राइट, वेरी गुड. सो सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट इज 0.00. काउंट द जीरोस. I think there are 8 zeros. 8 zeros are given here. And 837. Now, tell me the answer quickly. Quickly tell me the answer. Yes, 8 zeros. Next. Answer will be? Answer will be? Mahima, after 8. Yes, after 8, what will be the answer? I'm asking. 8 के बाद decimal हम shift करेंगे, no doubt. I'm asking about the answer. Yes, 8.37, 10 raised to power minus 9. Very good, Angel and Aditya. Very good. What is this, Juhil? Good, Nirav. So we will shift the decimal here. 8.37 multiply 10 raised to power, as we are shifting from left to right, power will be negative, and 8 zeros plus 1 number, power will be minus 9. Good. Yes, good. Right, Megha. Right, Mahima. Saksham. Okay. Let's do the next then. It's given 3, 1, 8, 6, and we have given 7 zeros. Right? So here, what will be the answer here? 3. Yes, right, Angel. Very good. Here no decimal is given, so that means decimal is the last. From the last we'll shift after 3. It will be 3.186 multiply 10 raised to power 7 zeros plus these 3 numbers. We have shifted before 10 numbers, so it will be 10 raised to power 10. Mahima, not 7, you forgot 186. Great, very good. Okay, this was the standard form. I hope this is clear now. Let's move to the usual form now. We are to express the numbers from standard to usual. See, this standard form is given now, right? We are to change in usual form. How to do this? Okay, right. So, अब यहाँ पे डिवीजन में आ रहा है ना, अब इसका ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. हम क्या करते हैं, लाइक 4.0.003 है ना, इसको राइट में शिफ्ट करते हैं तो पावर नेगेटिव लेते हैं, तो हम इसको लिखते हैं 3.0 मल्टीप्लाई 10 रेज टू पावर -3. इसको उल्टा कैसे लेके जाएंगे कि अगर पावर नेगेटिव में है तो डेसिमल कहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, लेफ्ट साइड. आर यू गेटिंग इट? लेफ्ट से राइट में लेके जाते हैं तो पावर दे देते हैं -3. इफ द पावर इज -3 वी विल डू द ऑपोजिट. दिस डेसिमल विल बी शिफ्टेड टू द लेफ्ट साइड. सो 6 नंबर्स पहले डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. 6 नंबर पहले, एक नंबर 3 हो गया और 5 क्या लगा देंगे, zeros. So it will be 0.000003. This will be the usual form, right? Any query here? In this part, is there any query now? Yes, right, Aditya. Right, Riddhi. Very good. Great. Aditya, how many zeros you have taken here? 5? I believe. Neerav, you have taken one extra zero. Riddhi, you also. 5 zeros will be here. Because we have given power -6. One number is 3. So आपके पास क्या हो जाएगी, 5 zeros और आएंगी. Okay. Great. Let's start. Let's do the next part for the same. It's 4.5 multiply 10 raised to power 4. Same again, as if you have 4,000, then you shift the decimal like this, right to left, and you multiply with the positive exponent, right? 10 raised to power 3. Similarly here, if you are to shift the decimal to left to right, अगर आपको left से right जाना है, right? If the power is given positive, then in the answer, you will be shift this decimal to the right, right? So it will be, what will be the answer here then? 45,000. Very good. Khushi, it's not 4,500, it's 45,000. Because power 4 is given, one number 5 is given, so it will be 45,000. Right? See, one number तो 5 हो गया, और 4 zeros चाहिए आपको, यहाँ पे 4 zeros आएंगी. ठीक है, यहाँ डेसिमल है, 4 नंबर के बाद डेसिमल शिफ्ट करना है, तो 5 तो एक नंबर हो गया, 3 के आ जाएंगे आपके पास zeros. So answer will be 45,000. Same next, 3 multiply 10 raised to power -8. What will be the answer here? 3 multiply 10 raised to power -8. Vanshika, you raised hand. Vansh, check your connectivity. I think there is some problem. Yes. How many zeros you have taken here? 7 zeros will be here. 7 zeros will be here. It's 3 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 8. So it will be minus 8. So you will take this decimal to the left side and it will be 0.7 zeros and one number is 3. So 8. So this will be the usual form. Good Sarthak, good Aditya. Next, 5.8, sorry, 1.0001 multiplied 10 raised to power 9. What will be the answer here? Siddharth, you have taken too many zeros. It's positive power, Siddharth. You have taken the decimal before 9 numbers. It's wrong. It's right, Angel. Yes, right, Megha. Right. Ria, Arshprit, very good. Right, right. So this decimal, its positive power shifted to the right side. कितने numbers के बाद 9? ये कितने numbers हैं? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. बाकी क्या लगा देंगे? Zeros. 5 zeros. So this will be the answer then. Great. Next, 5.8 multiply 10 raised to power 12. What will be the answer now? Arshprit, how many zeros you have taken? 11. Great, great. Now this, yes, yes, right, right. So here decimal is here. It's 12. ये आपके पास 12 है. तो आप क्या करेंगे? डेसिमल को राइट साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे आफ्टर 12 नंबर्स. वन नंबर इज 8 और 11 क्या ले लेंगे? 0. 5, 8, 0, 0, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? Very good. Good, Arshit, Saksham. Okay, next. 5.8 multiplied 10 raised to power 12. It's done, sorry. Next is 3.61492 multiply 10 raised to power 6. It's positive exponent. Now what we will do here? 3614920. Very good. Very good. See, this is the decimal. Positive power. We will shift to the right side. After 6 number, 3. One number, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth will be the 0. Right? Very good. So now you can do these questions. Yes, right, Vandita. Now can you give, sorry, can you complete this first, second, third question? Third question is also same here. You are to represent the statements in standard form. Here there is just difference given. Like first part is given 1 micron is, I explain you third question first part. Okay. Then you will try third question yourself. It's 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 10 lakh meter, right? 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 10 lakh meter. So the answer should also be in the meter. आपको standard form में change करना है. So you can write it as 1 upon 10 raised to power 6. That is 1 multiply 10 raised to power minus 6. When it will go to the numerator, the power will be negative. And this will be the standard form. This is the answer. Any query in this? In answer you will write down here meter. Right? Can you complete this third question yourself? Yes, very good. So Great. If you want to ask any part, you can ask. In third question. Okay, you can ask later then. Let's do the question number 4. Question number 4 here. Here you have given a statement question. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm, and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm, right? What is the total thickness of the stack? In a stack, you have given 5 books, और one book की thickness given है 20 mm. Each book thickness is given 20 mm, or each paper sheet thickness is given 0.16 mm, right? And you have to find 5 books are given, 5 paper sheets are given, and you have to find out total weight. What you will do here, पहले तो 5 books का weight निकालोगे, 5 sheets का, then you will add. So simple, right? So let's do it. Thickness of 5 books, what it will be? 5 books की thickness, one book की thickness है 20 mm, thickness of 5 books will be 100. Yes, Vanshika, right. It will be 100 mm. 20 multiply 5, right? Then thickness of 5 sheets, 5 sheets की thickness कितनी होगी? 1 sheet की thickness 0.16, 5 sheets की thickness 0.80 mm. Total thickness is equal to, add कर दो दोनों को. How you will add? 100.00 0.80, right? Add it. It will be 100.80. Okay. So it will be now mm. This will be the answer. But we can change it into the standard form also. How to change in standard form? We will take this decimal to the left side after 1. So it will be 1.008. 0 you can keep, or you can यहाँ 0 लगा भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी, right? You can write down here without 0 also. Multiply 10 raised to power, as we are shifting from right to left, we will take negative power, and 2 digits before, so we'll write down -2 mm. This will be the answer here, right?